Hello and welcome back to the Blue Screen Actor. My name is Heidi and I'm here to help. So today I just wanted to talk about a couple of things that have happened, give you some updates, and then kind of tell you about who's coming on this week. You guys are gonna just absolutely love her, but we'll get to that in a moment. So my journey lately has just been something I never ever would have dreamed of. I've been getting a lot of auditions, a lot of callbacks, and basically for every 2 auditions, I'd say I either get a hold, a veil, or a callback. And it's been incredible. So it's just been this whole validation of you're doing something right, you know what I mean? Like you're presenting the way they want you to be presenting, your self-tapes are the quality that they want to see. And in those callback auditions, it's getting there, doing the best that I can, making those connections, and then even having them say to me, hey, we've worked together before, this is amazing, love your energy, glad to see you back. And it's like those kinds of things. And I mean, because sometimes, like I said, in this industry, it is up and down. So you can have these huge tidal waves where you're getting booked, and then all of a sudden that wave goes back out and there's nothing, it's just crickets. So right now I'm in one of those wave periods where it's just a lot of opportunities are coming my way through word of mouth. A lot of my networking groups are pulling through for me, where they're giving my name out to contacts, producers, directors, as they have projects that are opening up and they're saying, hey, check this girl out. She's been doing a lot and she might be a good fit. And it's really cool then to have the directors reach out and ask you these questions. And then sometimes it comes down to availability where I may already be booked, so I can't do their project, but they keep me in line for the next project because now I'm on the radar. So it's just been this whole kind of snowball. So it's like that grain of sand where the more that you roll it, as it goes down the hill, or a snowflake, and it becomes this big ball and you've got the momentum and the energy going. That's what I feel like I'm experiencing right now. And I'm truly grateful to everyone who's out there supporting me through this journey, watching me, giving me those opportunities, and also just being my cheerleaders. I just have to say thank you. Thank you. You are seen, you are heard, you are appreciated, and just know that I love each and every one of you. So this week you're going to meet someone who I've worked with. I've actually met her through networking. We have the same agent, and she's just absolutely wonderful. And her name is Jennifer Budinsky, and you're going to hear her story and how she uses her network to create opportunities, create self-projects, even take leaps of faith and put together a play that she had in the Fringe Festival last year called Flushed, and all these other things and opportunities. And again, it's because she says yes. If you want to get that leg up, get your foot in the door, she's going to be a great person for you to listen to. And I can't wait for you to meet her later on this week. Thank you again to all of you for following my journey, being a part of this journey. And I'm really excited to see where this goes. So again, thank you for tuning in. Have a wonderful week.
Thank you for joining us.